Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to pay from your Thumbtack account. Now if you don't know how to pay from your Thumbtack account, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now for those of you wondering what is an Thumbtack, Thumbtack is an American home service website and app, and it helps you to the search for the rate and hire local service providers to work on a variety of personal projects which you are doing. Now the first thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Thumbtack app on your device. So if you have not installed it, you may install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that you just need to open the Thumbtack app and make sure that you are also logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, then you won't be able to hire the personals and you won't be able to pay. Now from here you need to search the list, or you may also find the various options on your homepage. So if you need to search someone for house cleaning, then you may simply open the house cleaning and you need to click on the option of search pros, and from here you need to enter the zip code of your area and click on the option of submit. So after entering the zip code, you need to select the pro and you need to find the payment request. So once the work is done, you'll receive a payment request from the professional through the Thumbtack, and from there you need to choose the payment method like the debit or the credit card or Apple Pay, and you can also directly pay from the Thumbtack app by using the debit or the credit card. And after you have entered all of your payment details, you need to confirm the payment and complete the transaction. And after the payment, then Thumbtack will send you a confirmation receipt through email, or the professional will also be notified from there. So that's it. That's how you can pay from the Thumbtack app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.